Brings me to this question.
Okay.
For an artist with, let's say, the resources, financial resources, or producer with the financial resources, and this person wants to start a record label, yeah?
Yeah.
What are those essential, or who are the essential people that person needs on their team just to start up
Okay.
the record label? Yes.
So on the creative side, well, guess well, going with the person being the producer already. Right?
Yeah.
So on the creative side, you need songwriters. You need extra hands when it even comes to the production, right? Because it gets to a point where you can't be putting out beats as fast as if exceptions just start rushing stuff. And then, especially with me, I like that the creative process is very fluid, very smooth. You don't have to force it, right? So get extra hands on deck if you need to. You need a creative director if you're not one by yourself. Get a creative director, right? Someone that understands how to all of this vision. Because again, you have different people. You have the producer bringing out the beat. You have the artist bringing out his or her ideas, trying to merge these two perspectives into one. You need a creative director that understands, okay, how best can I put this thing into to get right? Then you need on business side somebody that helps you market it. So you need a manager, somebody that is on ground, has the foot on ground, knows how to get into places, right?
Yeah.
You need a business analyst, a business developer, you need an admin, right? So you need to have A&Rs as friends, a lot of them, right? Because again, you're trying to sell the product. You need people that understand the market enough to let you know this might not fly. You might need to tweak this, tweak this. If not, you just have a bunch of nice sounding products that cannot sell.